Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The Volkswagen Group had its annual press conference yesterday, during which it teased a new concept car. We're talking about a new EV currently known as the Aero B, which is now returning in a full design sketch released on the occasion of the VW core brand's annual media conference. The sedan, or is it a liftback, will premiere next month at the Beijing Auto Show in China. Seen by VW as the electric counterpart to the Passat, the new Aero B will enter production next year, with first deliveries scheduled for the second half of 2023. Since the EV will debut in China, we're not at all surprised the world's most populous country will get the car first. Details about the production version have yet to be disclosed, but we do know the concept arriving in April will have 435 miles, 700 kilometers, of range. The important disclosure was made by VW brand boss Ralf Brandstätter, who said it will be the next ID model to be launched, after the ID. Buzz. The company's head honcho went on to say it'll have an aerodynamic design necessary to obtain the impressive range. A spacious interior is being promised for what will be yet another electric car based on the omnipresent MEB platform. Elsewhere, Ralf Brandstätter reiterated an entry-level EV is scheduled to hit the streets in 2025. It has been previewed by the ID. Life concept and will sit on the MEB small platform with a front-wheel drive configuration instead of the MEB's RWD layout. The future production model will replace the E-Up, which is once again available to order in Europe. Naturally, Seat and Škoda will get equivalent models to succeed the Mi Electric and Citigo EIV, respectively.